people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love, so don't break your heart. No, I don't wanna fall in love, so don't break your heart. No, I don't wanna fall in love, so don't break your heart. No, I don't wanna fall in love.
That's the coolest shit I've ever seen.
Make their move in, and I'm going to have my pilot Mike Rodriguez move in a little closer if we can to capture what they're going to do here. You can see streets are blocked off by the LAPD, and here they go, getting into position as close as you can, Mike. There we go. They're going down into their landing zone in a parking lot just north of LA Live. You can see military personnel there loading up into the helicopters, extracting those crews, and here they go. They're going to lift off here momentarily. And there's another group going out to the larger aircraft. There's the big one that landed, and now those personnel are going to load up in that aircraft and will soon depart. Let me come out to a wider shot. You can see this shadow there of the smaller helicopter taking off with about, it looked like about 4 or 5 military personnel. And they're flying north right up the 110 freeway, as you see there.
Here comes the Blackhawk, I think. Oh, fuck. He's like invincible. Oh my God.